Osmosis is a process in which water moves from the area of high solute concentration to the area of low solute concentration. Osmosis is a process by which water moves from the area of high solute concentration to the area of low solute concentration. So today we are going to make an activity of it. I need this container, some salts, water and potatoes. Remember, this one potato, I am putting this stick in it. I have made it, this potato was a boiled one. I have peeled it right over here, but this is a boiled one. And these two are raw potato. They are not boiled one. This one. You see, I have made a cavity in it. There is a cavity in it. Already I have made it. So that little time should be taken, and I have made a cavity here, and I have made a cavity over here. Now I will put all the three. Remember, this is, but I will put first of all salt in it. I am putting salt in it. You see, this is the salt in it. Okay. I am putting salt in this raw potato as well. In the cavity inside it, I put some salt in it as well. You are looking the salt over here as well. I put the salt in it as well. And the third one, this one, I will add no salt. Okay. Now you see, I will put some water in this container, and then I will observe it. I am putting some salt but the water should not come at the top. It should be a little bit below the top. And we will just observe now. Our work is finished. Now only we will do observation. Now we will just observe the whole system. The whole system we will just observe. Okay. This one potato, this was a boiled one, and these two were raw. In one raw potato, I have put some salt in it. If you can show it from the above, I have put salt in it as well. In this one, in this raw potato, this is boiled one, and this is a raw potato without salt. Now we will see the result after a while, that what will happen to the salt. Whether the salt will remain here in the raw potato, or it will remain here in the boiled potato. Okay, what will happen? What will be the observation? So let's wait a little bit, but meanwhile I am telling you, remember the same phenomena occur in the root hair cells. In the root hair cells, the concentration of salt is more inside the root cells as compared to the soil. So water from the soil enter the root hair cells because of high osmotic concentration, high solute concentration. So as per expectation, we can say that the salt should dissolve from this raw potato. Why? Because inside the cavity or inside the cell, the salt is more. So water should come and should dissolve the salt. Water should not come here in the boiled potato. Reason, the cells are dead. So it means for osmosis to take place, first of all the cell must be living, and number two, its solute concentration must be more than the environment, must be more than outside the cell. As far as this cell is concerned, this potato is concerned, this again the raw potato, but no water enter here. Although the cells are living, but water doesn't enter. Why? Because the solute concentration inside the cavity and outside the potato is the same. There is no high or low concentration. So no water enter here. But we expect and we will observe that water should enter into this raw potato. Reason, there are more salt as compared to the environment. So water should enter here. Okay, why water doesn't enter here in the boiled potato? The reason, the cells are dead. Let's wait a little bit for this, the result to come, inshallah. in a while. Students, now observe if the video comes close to it. You see this one to which I am pointing, the salt is going to dissolve. Still it is there, but mostly it has been lost. It has been dissolved. But in this one, in the boiled potato, the salt is as it is, you are looking, the same white color, no water here, but here it has been solubilized, it has been converted into solution form, and in a while it will be totally lost. Where does it go? First of all, as I told you, water from this environment, from here, enter through the root cell and through the cell membrane into the cavity or into the cells where there was salt, high solute concentration. That water made the salt dissolved. This process we call it what? Osmosis. If you look at this one, if the video come close to it, this one, there is no water, although this is also a raw potato, although this is also a living potato cell, but over here there is no solute concentration, it is the same as that of the water, so no water enter over here, but water did enter here in this raw potato. It clearly shows that osmosis is taking place in this potato, in this one in which I have made this stick now. But in this one, the cooked one, there is no osmosis as the cells are dead. The same phenomena occur in the root hair cells. I think you got it, and inshallah, dear students, you will also make such videos.